With so many vehicles on the road, it's easy to see how 384,000 are written off here in the UK every year. That's one every 90 seconds. Now, a write-off or a total loss is where a vehicle is stolen or considered beyond economic repair after an accident, a fire, or a flood. If your vehicle is declared a write-off, then your motor insurer will only pay the value of the vehicle at the time of the total loss, and that can be substantially lower than you originally paid and will almost certainly be less than you need to buy an equivalent replacement. Now, if you've financed or leased your vehicle, your motor insurer's payout may not be enough to settle your agreement, leaving you with debt to pay. Now, with gap insurance in place, you'll be protected against this unexpected loss or debt, and maybe both, depending on which type of gap insurance you choose. These hugely popular insurances are available for new and used vehicles, whether they were paid for in cash or financed with PCP or hire purchased or even leased in some way. Our policies include cover for factory fitted options and dealer fitted accessories. There's no excess to pay, and in fact, our policies will also pay up to £250 towards your motor insurer's write-off excess. Friends and family named on your motor insurance policy are covered at no extra cost, and you can view our full insurance terms and conditions online at car2cover.co.uk. Making a claim is really simple. If you financed or leased your vehicle, your finance will be settled first, and then any monies left over will be paid to you. If you paid cash or arranged a personal loan to purchase your vehicle, your claim will be paid directly to you. Cover costs from as little as 10 pence a day, but it's only available to buy within a limited number of days after vehicle delivery. So don't delay. Head to car2cover.co.uk for more information and full insurance terms and conditions. We've been trusted by thousands of customers every year since 2007 to provide high quality products at low prices. You'll be reassured to hear that we are independently 5-star rated, authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. All our policies are covered under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. It really is as good as it gets. Thanks for watching. We hope this information has helped, and don't forget to check out our other helpful videos.